Dear listeners, you are watching today's trending video on YouTube, and our country is India. Incredible global showdown. Every nation competes for $250,000 prize. Watch the spectacle unfold on YouTube. In an astonishing twist, it's just been revealed that all countries across the globe will be vying for an astonishing $250,000 prize. This groundbreaking competition is set to enthrall the world as nations go head-to-head in pursuit of this immense sum of money. Anticipation is building as countries prepare for this unique opportunity, promising not only wealth, but global recognition, allowing nations to display their distinctive talents, skills, and cultures on an unprecedented stage. The excitement has reached unprecedented heights, imagining scenes of national pride and unity as teams from every corner of the world unite for this remarkable prize. This is unquestionably a spectacle like no other, featuring intense rivalries and epic clashes that will keep viewers glued to their screens. It's a game-changer that's destined to redefine international competition forever. The sheer diversity and the vast number of participating countries make it a riveting event. It's a level playing field where the outcome is uncertain, heightening the adrenaline for both participants and spectators. Beyond the monetary reward, this competition is poised to drive innovation and progress. As countries strive to outshine each other, we can anticipate groundbreaking advancements in various domains. Fields such as science, technology, art, and sports will all benefit from this truly global endeavor. It's not just about the money. It's about pushing boundaries and achieving new pinnacles of success. Every nation will take center stage as they unveil their strengths and talents. From breathtaking displays of athleticism to mesmerizing exhibitions of art and culture, the world will witness the finest offerings from each participating country. We're poised to be awestruck by the diversity and depth of human accomplishment, marveling at the wonders that abound across the globe. Furthermore, this competition holds the potential to foster unity and understanding among nations. As countries come together in a spirit of friendly competition, it presents an opportunity for diplomacy and collaboration. The bonds forged during this global event may have far-reaching implications, transcending borders to promote peace and harmony worldwide. In the end, only one nation will emerge victorious, but the impact of this competition will resonate globally. It will serve as a testament to the indomitable spirit of humanity and our unwavering pursuit of excellence. It's a reminder of the power of unity and what we can achieve when we unite towards a common goal. So, prepare to witness the spectacle of a lifetime as every nation on Earth competes for the $250,000 prize. This is not just any competition. This is history in the making. The world will hold its breath and watch as nations rise to the occasion, pushing boundaries and shaping the future. Is your country destined to claim the prize? Stay tuned to find out.